Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we have 12 real English conversations to help you learn English at the airport. Lila and Marco just landed in New York City for the very first time. They are excited. They are nervous. And Marco already lost his bag. Don't worry, everyone speaks slowly and clearly. So just relax and listen. Are you ready? Let's get started.
20 minutes before landing.
Marco, are you ready?
Ready for what? We are still flying.
Ready for when we land.
Layla, I know how airports work.
Do you? You lost your boarding pass once.
It was one time only.
It was inside your sandwich, Marco.
I was hungry. It was a long flight.
Look out the window.
Is that New York?
That is New York.
It is so big.
8 million people live there.
8 million. We know 0 of them.
We will know some very soon.
Starting with the passport officer.
I am nervous about passport control.
You nervous? You have a list.
A list does not stop the nerves.
It is going to be fine, Layla.
How do you know that?
Because we are here. We made it.
Take a deep breath. That is true.
Look at that skyline.
It is so beautiful.
Okay, maybe I am a little nervous too.
I knew it.
Do not put that on your list.
Passport control. Marco goes first.
Next, please. Passport.
Hello. Here you are.
What is the purpose of your visit?
We are moving here. To live.
Do you have a visa?
Yes. The green page inside.
Good. Where will you be staying first?
A hotel. Then we find an apartment.
How long do you plan to stay?
Permanently. Is that the right word?
Yes, permanently is correct.
Good. My English is still improving.
It sounds fine. Any job offer?
Not yet. We just arrived today.
Do you have money to support yourself?
Yes. 6 months of savings at least.
Any food or plants in your bags?
No. Just clothes. And too many shoes.
Whose shoes?
My friend Lila. She is right behind me.
Welcome to New York, Mr. Rossi.
Thank you. Very happy to be here.
Enjoy the city. Send the next person.
Thank you. Have a very good day.
Layla's turn.
Good afternoon. Here is my passport.
Good afternoon. Traveling with someone?
Yes, my friend Marco. He just passed.
The one with the shoes?
Yes, that one.
Same visa type?
Yes, same situation, moving here together.
Where will you be staying?
The Hudson Hotel, West 57th Street.
What kind of work are you looking for?
I studied design. I want design work.
Good field. New York is great for that.
That is what I hope.
Any criminal record in your home country?
No, nothing at all.
Everything looks good. Welcome to the U.S.
Thank you so much.
Where did you study design?
Smile. Back home. 4 years at university.
Good. That will help you here.
I hope so. I am ready to work.
Good attitude. New York rewards that.
Huh. I had a list.
Smart. Enjoy New York. Next, please.
Baggage claim. Something is wrong.
Marco, 15 minutes now.
The bags will come. Relax.
Everyone else has their bags already.
Not everyone.
That man has 2 bags. 2.
Good for that man.
What if they lost yours?
They did not lose my bag, Lila.
It happens. I read about it.
Of course you did.
Oh, is that yours? The black one.
Where?
There, on the belt. Coming now.
Oh, yes, that is mine.
Oh, wait, no. That is not yours.
Ah, it looked exactly like mine.
Marco, the belt stopped.
What?
Belt stopped. Your bag is not here.
Okay, small problem.
I told you.
You did not need to say that.
I know. Sorry. Let us go find help.
Okay, what do I say to them?
Tell them your bag did not arrive.
Simple. I can do that.
And give them your boarding pass.
Reporting the missing bag.
Hi there. Can I help you?
Hello. My bag did not arrive.
I am sorry. Your baggage tag, please.
My what, sorry?
The sticker on your boarding pass.
Oh, yes. This one here. Perfect.
And your name, please?
Marco Rossi.
What does the bag look like?
Black, medium size, red ribbon on the handle.
A red ribbon. That helps a lot.
My friend told me to put it there.
Smart friend. Let me check the system.
Is this normal? The missing bag?
It happens. A later flight usually brings it.
A later flight? How much later?
Same day, sometimes the next morning.
Next morning? Okay.
We will send it directly to your hotel.
You bring it to the hotel?
Yes, no need to come back here.
Oh, that is very good news. Thank you.
Here is your reference number.
Thank you, Priya. She will be very relieved.
The red ribbon was a great idea.
Please do not tell her that.
Finding the right taxi.
We need the official taxi stand.
What about that man? Good price.
Marco, do not talk to him.
He seems friendly.
He is not an official taxi. Come.
How much is a real taxi?
About $50 to $60 from JFK.
$60 for a taxi?
Welcome to New York.
Is there a cheaper option?
The subway, but look at all our bags.
The taxi is perfect. Completely fine.
I thought so. The stand is this way.
It is raining a little.
It is not raining.
Just a little bit, Layla.
Fine, a tiny bit. Come on now.
Do you think the hotel is far?
About 40 minutes, maybe 50.
With traffic, you mean?
Yes, it is New York, Marco.
That is our taxi. Go, go.
I'm going. I'm going.
Inside the taxi.
Where to?
Hudson Hotel, please. West 57th Street.
Got it. First time in New York?
Yes, first time. We just landed today.
Welcome. Where are you both from?
Different countries. Italian and Lebanese.
New York loves that.
Really?
Half the city came from somewhere else.
Including you?
Colombia. 15 years ago, I arrived here.
And now?
I own 3 taxis now. New York works.
That is very good to hear.
What do you both do for work?
Construction. My friend is a designer.
Both great here. This city never stops building.
Haha, we can see that from the window.
How is your English?
Better every day. Today is good practice.
Talk to everyone. New Yorkers love it.
Good. My friend has many, many questions.
I like her. Here is your hotel.
52. Here you are. Thank you, Sophia.
Welcome to New York. You will love it.
I think we already do.
Hotel check-in.
Hello. Reservation for Layla Haddad.
Good evening. Let me find that for you.
2 nights, 2 people, 2 beds.
I see it. That is all correct.
Great.
Passport, please.
Here you go.
And a credit card for the deposit.
Yes. How much is the deposit?
$100. Released at checkout.
Okay, fine. Here is the card.
You are on the 14th floor, room 1408.
Oh, is there another room available?
Ha! The movie. How about room 1412?
Yes, much better. Thank you.
Breakfast is from 7 to 10.
Is it included in the price?
No. $15 per person.
Okay. And the Wi-Fi password?
On the key card envelope. It is free.
Perfect. My friend's bag is coming from JFK.
We will hold it at reception for you.
Thank you so much. Very helpful, James.
Welcome to New York. Enjoy your stay.
The hotel room. Their first moment alone.
Close the curtains, Marco. I am so tired.
Just look at this first.
I will look tomorrow, Marco.
Layla, it is New York out there.
Fine. 1 second.
Come here.
Oh,
Yes,
it is really something.
it really is.
I cannot believe we are here.
I can. We planned for 1 whole year.
Planning and being here feel very different.
Very different, yes.
Are you scared?
A little. You?
More than a little. Whisper, do not tell anyone.
Safe with me. Are you hungry?
Very hungry, yes.
Room service or go out?
Room service. I cannot move right now.
Good. I'll call them now.
What if it is harder than we thought?
Then it is harder. We do it anyway.
Just like that?
Just like that. You rest. I'll call.
Marco, I am glad we did this together.
Me too, Layla. Me too.
Ordering room service.
Good evening, room service. How can I help?
Hello. I want to order food, please.
Of course. What would you like?
What is the chicken sandwich exactly?
Grilled chicken with lettuce and tomato.
On which kind of bread?
Sourdough. A little sour, very popular here.
Okay. 1 chicken sandwich, please.
Anything else?
Do you have pasta tonight?
Yes. Tonight it is carbonara.
Oh, carbonara. 1 of those, please.
Good choice. Drinks?
2 water bottles. And do you have tea?
English breakfast? Green tea or chamomile?
2 English breakfast teas, please.
Perfect. Your room number?
1412.
About 25 minutes. Is that okay?
Perfect. Thank you, Carla.
Enjoy your evening.
Anything else on the menu tonight?
We have soup and salad also.
No, that is enough. Thank you so much.
First night in New York?
Yes. How did you know?
It gets easier. I promise you that.
Calling home.
Mama, can you hear me?
Layla, yes. You look so tired, my love.
I am tired, but we arrived safely.
How was the flight? How was the hotel?
Long flight, small hotel, but very nice.
And Marco, is he behaving?
He lost his bag.
Only Marco. Is he okay?
He is fine. It comes tomorrow.
Are you eating something?
Room service just now. I am okay.
Is New York safe?
Very safe. Very busy. Very loud.
Is it how you imagined?
Bigger. More real. More everything.
Are you scared, my love?
I am a little, but the good kind of scared.
The good kind.
Like when something big is starting.
Call me every single day.
Every day is too much, Mama.
Every day, Layla.
Okay, every day. I need to sleep now.
Sleep well, my love. I am so proud of you.
Thank you, Mama. I love you.
I love you more. Good night, my brave girl.
The last conversation of the day.
Hish. Marco, are you awake?
Yes,
I cannot sleep.
me neither.
Are you thinking about tomorrow?
I am thinking about everything.
Me too.
Lila,
Yes?
we are actually in New York right now.
Yes, we are.
Still a little strange.
It will feel normal soon, I think.
You think, or you know?
Working on the knowing part.
What is first on the list tomorrow?
Apartment agency. We need to start looking.
Can we eat breakfast first?
Fine. Breakfast, then the agency.
And a short walk, maybe?
A short walk, yes.
A New York walk. Huh.
Yes, a New York walk.
Do you think we will like it here?
I think yes. You?
I think yes, too.
Good. We agree then.
We agree. Good start. Good night, Lila.
Good night, Marco. We made it.
Yes, we made it.